everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with an addiction to a drug, methamphetamine specifically, and how that might relate to domestic violence. Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other law firm topic, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular question and your particular situation. So today's question comes from Mark, and he asks this: can a addiction to methamphetamine be considered domestic violence? The situation is this: he finally, after 2 years of being addicted to the substance, decided to come clean with his wife and let her know that he has had an issue with abuse of this drug, and he wanted to come clean with her and hopefully get some help. Her response was not exactly what he expected. She stated that his behavior and his use of the drug was very dangerous to her and the children, and it constituted domestic violence. She therefore filed a temporary restraining order against him, and he reached out to me to see if this was correct and what he could do. So to answer his question, I specifically stated that Nevada does have some specific guidelines as to what it constitutes domestic violence to be. Specifically, any act that constitutes domestic violence is battery, assault, forcing or threatening somebody to do something that they are not supposed to do or not able to do or not legally obligated to do, sexual assault, harassing behaviors, stealing, stalking, arson. Those are considered domestic violence. A drug addiction in and of itself does not constitute domestic violence unless, of course, while under the influence of that particular drug, that person then commits battery, assault, a sexual aggravated, rape, or some sort of a physical harm or threat of harm to that other person while under the influence. But the drug use in and of itself does not constitute domestic violence. I hope this has answered your question, Mark. If you want to discuss this further with me, you can go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss this a bit further. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you know somebody who can benefit from this information, please don't hesitate and share this video with them, as it might help someone. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.